Have you ever looked up and realized your range hood needs a little TLC? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, play it safe. Cover the stove burners with newspapers or old rags. You don't want any extra mess. Is there a filter up there? Just pop it out and set it aside. We'll get to that in a bit. Fill a clean spray bottle with plain white vinegar. Nature's cheap degreaser. Generously spray the underside of the hood. Let the vinegar work for about an hour. Respray if it gets too dry. Time for some bubbly action. Add 3 to 4 drops of your favorite dish soap to several inches of warm water in the sink. Wipe down everything above that stovetop. Those paper towels will pick up all that unwanted grease. Be sure to get into those sneaky cracks and crevices. Got stainless steel filters? Boil them clean or run them through a dishwasher cycle. For charcoal filters, replace them when needed. Piece of cake. Once it's all clean, slide that filter back in its place. Time to unveil the stove. Remove the newspapers or rags. Wipe down the stovetop with a mix of vinegar and water for the final touch. Sparkling clean, naturally.